My name is Drew Neerman, and this is Data Unleashed, the video blog series dedicated to helping you get the most out of your investment in Salesforce. So today we're going to talk about Salesforce Integrations. If you had to set it up, how would you do it? There's a lot of things that could potentially be done. So in the scenario that Salesforce is a primary system of record for your enterprise, maybe you need to get data from multiple non-Salesforce data sources or other production Salesforce orgs into a master org that's going to persist for a long time. Or maybe you work for an organization where Salesforce is not a primary system of record, and you need to get data out of Salesforce and migrate it over to an enterprise data warehouse, something like that. In either scenario, at Data Unleashed, we like to make the argument that a self-hosted approach to either one of these integration scenarios gives you the most flexibility, speed, control, and security to set up your unique integration. So if you didn't have a self-hosted approach, oftentimes what people will do is they'll pull a bunch of spreadsheets out of Salesforce and dump them in like maybe an S3 bucket or something like that, or build a bunch of scripts to turn spreadsheets into a quasi-relational data model so that they can integrate with some sort of Snowflake or Redshift BigQuery data warehouse. But if you have a solution that allows you to replicate the entire data model to your on-prem or cloud-based data warehouse in a SQL standard relational database environment, your enterprise data team, your integration architects, developers, consultants, they can get at that data in a non-proprietary format and move it into and out of Salesforce, upstream, downstream. They can enhance it, transform it, and basically get it to do whatever they need it to do for integration purposes. In the event that you're trying to get data into Salesforce, the advantage of having a copy of your target org schema living in a database that you control means that you can massage data from any other third-party data source, maybe it's Salesforce, maybe it's not, into that empty schema, and then use loading tools to push the data to Salesforce that can handle all the referential integrity, record ID mapping, so that you don't have to do it with spreadsheets. So if this sounds like something that would be of value to you to enhance your analytics or ETL processes, your integrations, reporting, sandbox seeding, something like that, please let us know. You can drop me a message on LinkedIn, and I would be happy to tell you a bit about how the company I work for is helping some of Salesforce's largest customers do these exact same things every single day. My name is Drew Neerman, and this is Data Unleashed. Thank you so much for watching.